Hello students, let's discuss the question. In this question we have to match the following. So here we are given in the left side we are given the angles, types of angle, and in the right side we are given the revolutions. So look here. So firstly we are going to convert these angles into revolutions so that we can match accordingly. So first we are given that straight angle. We know that straight angle is equals to 180 degree and one revolution is equals to 160 degree. One revolution is equals to 160 degree. So we can say that 1 degree is equals to 1 divided by the 3. So from here we can say that 1 degree is equals to 1 divided by the 360 of this revolution. So from here we can say that 180 degree is equals to 180 divided by the 360 of revolution. That is equals to 1 divided by the 2. So from here we can say that the one straight angle is equals to 1 divided by 2, that is half of this revolution. So from here we can say that straight angle is equals to half of this revolution. Now next we are considering about the right angle. So right angle is somewhat like this, which means that is equals to 90 degree. We know that one revolution is equals to 360 degree. So 1 degree is equals to 1 divided by the 360 revolution as we discussed above. So 90 degree is equals to 90 divided by the 360, that will be equals to 1 divided by the 4 of revolution. So from here we can say that the right angle is equals to 1 divided by the 4th of this revolution. So this is about the right angle. Next we are considering about the acute angles. So acute angles are those angles which are less than 90 degree. Acute angles are those angles which are less than 90 degree, and we know that 90 degree is equals to 1/4 of this revolution. So we can say that for acute angle it must be less than 1/4 of revolution. Now next, obtuse angle. We are considering about the obtuse angles. So obtuse angles are greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. So we know that for 90 degree revolution is 1/4 and for 180 degree revolution is half. So in case of obtuse angle we can say that they will lie between 1/4 and half of this revolution. Next is reflex angle. So reflex angle is greater than the straight angle, and we know that straight angle is 1 divided by the 2 of revolution. So we can say that reflex angle must be greater than 1 divided by the 2 part of this revolution. Now next is one complete revolution. As its name suggests, one complete revolution is equals to 360 degree, and we know that 360 degree is equals to one revolution. So this is some basics about the question. Now we are going to start matching them. Look here. Firstly is straight angle. As we just discussed, straight angle is 1 divided by 2 of revolution, or we can say that half revolution. So we can match it with half of revolution. Next is the right angle. As we just discussed, right angle is 90 degree and which is equals to 1/4 of this revolution. So for second it is 3. Next is acute angle. Acute angles are those angles which are less than 90 degree. So a revolution for them is less than 1/4 of this revolution. That is part A. Next is the obtuse angle. So obtuse angle are those angles which are greater than 90 degree but less than 140 degree. Greater than 90 degree means their revolution must be greater than 1/4, but less than 180 degree means their angle must be less than 1/2. So we can say that they lie between 1 divided by 4 and 1 divided by 2 of this revolution. Next is reflex angle. Reflex angle is angle which is greater than straight angle or 180 degree. So we can say that revolution for that is more than half of angle. So this is the answer to given question. We can also number them. This is 1. For this is 2. Next is acute. This is 3. Next is obtuse. This is 4. And next is reflex. This is 5. So this is the answer to given question. So students, in order to solve this problem, we use the basic concept of angles. I hope you understood the concept well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.